morning, because the latest we have got from the Prime Minister and from the acting commissioner of police in charge of traffic is that we are left at the discretion of the police. We in the public transportation sector know what is meant by the discretion of the police, and so it only drives more fear in the public transportation sector. In addition to that, we are told that the police will be coming out in their number tomorrow. Then if they are coming out in their number, what discretionary measures are going to be taken by them? And so operators, I am imploring you, be strong, be steadfast, don't give up. If you lose it this time, you will never get it another time.
Yeah. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super is out in the street. And we're there out in the street, and we're there on the taxi stand down at William Street. We're there in the beautiful town of Morant Bay. And we just look how the flow of traffic and to see how the commuting public move back and forth, and just take a look to see how the streets there, and if the kids them is getting taxi this morning, and everything look fairly good, fairly normal, fairly decent. So stick and stay and follow me. My viewers and subs, so kids out, taxi out, and everything look off, out and running. So stick and stay, and we have a look and see if we can find anybody to talk with. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, so the commuting people them, passenger them out, kids them out, taxi driver out this morning, and Big Super is out on the road just looking what taking place. It's a smooth, pretty cool and smooth morning. Yeah, my viewers and subs, so the commuting passengers them is out. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, Big Super there at the taxi stand, and we just look on the commuting public, especially the kids them and the school kids them, and see how them are traverse this morning, and everything look pretty smooth out here in Morant Bay, and things, people are getting motor vehicle, people are move back and forth and go about them business, so we don't really see no farmer delay. Yeah man, so me I talk to a driver. Yeah. And what you say driver, hopefully the day?
Yeah, hopefully it might get a bit better.
Yeah, but you don't see no farmer delay with the motorists and the traveling public.
Well, there's a lot of delay.
Okay.
The road condition and all of that, so
yeah.
Hopefully it might get better, because they're trying them out there, do them little things, so hopefully by the end of the year or so.
Okay, alright, thanks. So my viewers and sub, we're out in the street here, and everything seems to be very, very, very smooth. So my viewers and and subscribers, so far the commuting public and at this taxi stand, everybody seems to be moving pretty smooth. So everybody seems to be moving pretty smooth this morning, my viewers and subscribers. So we are going to head down to the other taxi stand that where the bus park is. We're going down to the bus park to see what taking place down that side. So stick and stay and follow me. So my viewers and sub, we leave out one location and we are head in the direction at Church Street. We have a look and see what's going on over the bus park and see what's going on that side. So viewers and sub, we're heading to Williams, we're heading to the bus park. We're heading to the bus park to see what's going on that side. Yeah, we're heading to the bus park, people. because we don't see no sign of delay where the taxi them concerned. All of the taxi drivers them seem to be out so far early, and the commuting public seem to be moving pretty easy. So we don't anticipate no problem over in Morant Bay here, but we can see how the day progress. So we on the other side, my viewers and sub, and we see kids, we see taxi moving up and about with passengers. So we just go down to the bus park to just get a more clearer look to see what's going on. So my viewers and sub, we're almost in the vicinity of the bus park here, and we just look, we see vehicle moving pretty freely on the road, so we don't get the impression that taxi not working. Everything look pretty freely out here this morning, and we're going to go on the sign here, make you guys see the sign and take a look and judge for yourself. We don't anticipate no withdrawal in St. Thomas. So my viewers and sub, as I was saying to you guys, that Big Super don't really anticipate no withdrawal in St. Thomas. Vehicle them is pretty, everybody's out this morning. Traffic moving, kids moving, adults moving. Everybody are move fairly good on the road here, and it's a little wet morning, a little bit dampy and stuff. But the taxi drivers them is out. Bless up yourself. Taxi driver them out. The viewers and subscribers. So let's see how the day progress now. Big Super out here, out in the town, beautiful town of Morant Bay. Alright driver, beautiful town of Morant Bay. So just like, share, fill up the comment section. Let me know how your community doing, because this is St. Thomas, so you guys can fill up the comment section and let me know what your community, how the day is progressing so far. So my viewers and subscribers, so far so good. Big Super is here and reporting to you from Morant Bay. So far so good. So remember, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. You understand? Remember, say watch out the videos them, watch out the ads. That's how Big Super get paid when you watch a commercial. So for now, see you on another blog. Big Super out in the town of Morant Bay saying peace out. Yeah.